In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use unique function in Google Sheets. This function is perfect when you have a list with repeated entries and you want a clean list of distinct values. Think of survey responses, product IDs, or names in a roster. Instead of manually scanning for duplicates, Unique does the work instantly and updates as your data changes. First, identify the range that contains the duplicates you want to remove. Click and drag to select the column or area with your entries, for example, A2 to A10. If your data has a header, it's usually best to start from the first actual data row so the title doesn't get treated like an entry. Take a quick look to make sure you're selecting the right cells and that the data is all in one consistent range. Next, choose a new empty cell where you want your cleaned list to appear. This should not be inside the original data range. In that empty cell, type xunique A2, A10 and press enter. Immediately, Google Sheets will generate a list of unique values drawn from that range. If you add or remove items in A2 through A10 later, the unique output will refresh automatically, so you always have an up-to-date list. Keeping the formula separate from the source data helps avoid accidental overwrites and makes the sheet easier to read. If your data spans multiple columns and you want to remove duplicates based on entire rows, select a multi-column range like A2 to B10 and use eunique A2 B10. In this case, the function looks at both columns together. That means a row is considered a duplicate only if every corresponding cell in the row matches another row. The results will spill across the same number of columns as your selection, so expect the output to include both columns side by side. Because Unique automatically expands its results, make sure there's enough empty space below the formula and to the right when you're working with multiple columns. If something is in the way, Sheets will show an error indicating the result can't expand. The fix is simple: clear the blocking cells or move the formula to a spot with more room. As your source list grows or shrinks, the unique output will grow or shrink with it, so giving it breathing room up front prevents issues later. And that's it. By identifying the right range, entering the unique formula, understanding how multi-column ranges work, and leaving space for the automatic expansion, you'll have a clean dynamic list in seconds.